and how to draw simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a sheep. Let's start off by drawing the head with a sideways U shape with a bump on the bottom. For the ear, draw a line that sweeps down to the right and up like so, followed by a line that curves up to the top here. From there, connect back to the start of the bumpy cloud shape for some wool, with another cloud-shaped line on top as well. And from here, continue the cloud-like line down to the right for the neck, and out to the right, then turn down and back in for the body. Under the chin, draw another cloud-like line coming down and to the right for the chest. And from here, draw a curve coming down and angling like so for the front leg. A flat bottom for the hoof, and a line going back up and flaring out to finish off this leg. Across the top, add another bumpy cloud line for some wool. Then, copy that shape just to the left for the other front leg. On the other side of the leg, continue the bumpy line across, and turn up at the end going past this line like so for a tail. For the hind leg, draw a line coming down at an angle, turning straight down, a flat bottom, and mirroring those to finish off the hind leg. Like before, copy the shape just to the left for the other hind leg. At the tip of the head, add a small triangle here for the nose, and a big dot here for an eye. Lastly, finish it off by adding a few thinner bumpy lines here, here, and here, to give the impression of its upper legs under all the wool. And now you've got a sheep! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.